Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into one of the most advanced and legendary fighter jets in the world, the F-22 Raptor. A symbol of unmatched air superiority, this aircraft redefined the standards of modern aerial combat. Developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States Air Force, the F-22 Raptor is not just a fighter jet, it's a marvel of technology, stealth, speed, and raw power, making it one of the most formidable aircraft ever built. The story of the F-22 begins in the late 20th century when the U.S. military sought to replace its aging fleet of F-15 Eagles with a next-generation air dominance fighter. This new jet needed to be stealthy, fast, highly maneuverable, and equipped with cutting-edge avionics. The result was the F-22 Raptor, which first flew in 1997 and officially entered service in 2005. It combined stealth technology with supercruise capability, the ability to fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners, and a high degree of agility that made it nearly unbeatable in aerial dogfights. What makes the F-22 truly special is its stealth design. Unlike traditional fighter jets that rely on speed and firepower alone, the F-22 is built to be nearly invisible to enemy radar. Its unique angular shape, internal weapons bays, and radar-absorbent materials reduce its radar cross-section dramatically. This stealth capability allows the F-22 to strike without being seen, giving it a decisive advantage in combat. Even advanced air defense systems struggle to track it accurately, making the F-22 a true ghost in the skies. Powered by two Pratt & Whitney F119 PW100 turbofan engines, the F-22 can fly at speeds over Mach 2.0, and thanks to its supercruise feature, it can sustain supersonic speeds without burning extra fuel. This makes it faster, more efficient, and less detectable than aircraft that rely on afterburners. The engines also feature thrust vectoring nozzles, allowing the pilot to maneuver the aircraft with incredible precision, even at low speeds or high altitudes. This gives the Raptor an edge in close-in dogfights where split-second turns can mean the difference between victory and defeat. Inside the cockpit, the pilot sits in front of a highly sophisticated suite of avionics and sensors. The F-22 uses an advanced radar system known as the AN/APG-77, which can detect and track multiple targets from long distances while remaining difficult to detect itself. The aircraft is also equipped with electronic warfare capabilities, sensor fusion, and data link systems that allow it to share information with other assets in the battlefield in real time. This networked combat capability means that the F-22 is not just a lone wolf but a leader in integrated air operations. In terms of armament, the F-22 can carry a variety of weapons internally to maintain its stealth profile. These include 6 AIM-120 AMRAAM air-to-air missiles and 2 AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles for aerial combat. For ground attack missions, it can carry JDAMs, Joint Direct Attack Munitions, or other precision-guided bombs. It also has a 20mm M61A2 Vulcan cannon mounted internally for close-range dogfights. In non-stealth missions, the F-22 can carry additional weapons on external hardpoints, significantly increasing its firepower. Despite all of its capabilities, the F-22's operational history is relatively limited. That's not due to a lack of potential, but rather because it was designed primarily for high-end combat scenarios involving near-peer adversaries, situations that haven't yet occurred on a large scale. The Raptor has been deployed for air patrols, training missions, and exercises around the world, including deterrent missions in the Pacific and the Middle East. Its presence alone is often enough to change the behavior of enemy aircraft or to assert dominance in a region. One of the reasons the F-22 was never exported to allied nations was due to U.S. federal law and concerns about protecting its sensitive technologies. While many countries expressed interest in acquiring the F-22, the U.S. chose to keep it as an exclusive asset to maintain a technological edge over potential adversaries. As a result, the Raptor remains unique to the U.S. Air Force, which only adds to its mystique and prestige. Production of the F-22 ended in 2012 after only 187 operational units were built, far fewer than originally planned. This decision was driven by high costs, changing military priorities, and the emergence of newer platforms like the F-35 Lightning II. Still, the F-22 remains highly respected and continues to be a critical part of the U.S. air dominance strategy. Pilots often refer to flying the Raptor as being in a league of its own. It's fast, stealthy, smart, and deadly. In addition to its combat role, the F-22 also serves as a valuable training and technology testbed. Lessons learned from operating and maintaining the Raptor have directly influenced the development of future aircraft, including sixth-generation fighters like the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. Its design philosophy, combining stealth, speed, agility, and situational awareness, has set the benchmark for what a modern fighter should be. Another interesting feature of the F-22 is its ability to perform air dominance and ground attack missions with equal effectiveness. Most fighters are optimized for one or the other, but the Raptor seamlessly blends both roles. Whether it's eliminating enemy aircraft, suppressing air defenses, or conducting reconnaissance, the F-22 can adapt quickly to the mission requirements. This multi-role flexibility makes it a highly strategic asset for commanders in complex operations. Over the years, the F-22 has also become an icon in popular culture. It's featured in video games, movies, and documentaries, often portrayed as the ultimate aerial warrior. But behind the cinematic glamour is a machine forged from decades of research, development, and combat experience. It represents not only American airpower but also the relentless pursuit of technological superiority. Looking into the future, the F-22 will continue to fly for years to come. The U.S. Air Force has invested in modernization programs to upgrade its avionics, radar, and communication systems. These upgrades ensure that even as newer jets like the F-35 or NGAD enter service, the F-22 will remain a critical piece of the aerial puzzle. Its unmatched dogfighting ability and first strike potential make it a fighter that still has no true rival. So there you have it, the F-22 Raptor, a masterpiece of modern engineering, designed not just to dominate the skies but to define what it means to be a fifth-generation fighter. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast or just discovering military aircraft, the Raptor stands as a symbol of how far human ingenuity can push the limits of flight. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing aviation content.